Are we able to relax? No, we're absolutely not able to relax. And we're experiencing it right now. We're living it right now. We just went through a debacle where we had so many energetic glitches, we absolutely weren't able to relax. And that's why I'm back, baby. Yeah, I'm back to make sure the message gets out there. We look at the Schumann resonance and we're constantly getting bombarded by these electromagnetic bursts. And our life is constantly getting banged around, and it's leaving us asking the question, when can we just relax? Hello everyone, I am Michael and I help guide people on the evolutionary journey. Well, I'm back and I'm practicing what I preach right now. And I just went through a crazy debacle on the live stream. And, you know, I shared with all of you, it's actually a point of the day where I'm actually able to relax. I love to connect with all of you. And we were having a lot of electromagnetic problems. But, you know, we made it through, and I'm just leaving this message. This is really the power of authenticity and living through this right now. When we look at the Schumann resonance, we see multiple bursts in the course of 48 hours. And you think you went through the onslaught, you went through the energies, you went through the ascension symptoms, and you could say to yourself, oh, can I just relax now? Is that you? Oh, I just want to relax. Well, we had multiple spikes over power 60. And, you know, what we're all going through, we're going through it for years right now. But what we're actually experiencing, it's actually too intense for the human condition. And we're not supposed to be under fight or flight energies for years now. We're not supposed to be bombarded with trauma for years now. And we're watching and we're witnessing the breakdown of society right now. So what's happening is this energy is actually forcing us to evolve into something greater, right? This message is evolving into something greater. This is going to be even better, light warriors. So during this time period, I'm leaving you that you need to embrace two very important energies: the power of resiliency and the power of consistency. And if you focus on being resilient, I hope I'm being the lighthouse, and I'm showing you this right now. I didn't have a great rising today, right? The glitches were non-stop, but I'm back, baby. I'm back, and I'm better than ever because I embrace the power of resiliency. I'm resilient, and I just keep going. And you have to have the power of consistency at this time. You can't just say, you know, oh, I'm going to do something healthy for one day. We're in World War III. It's a spiritual World War III. And you have to be consistent. You have to be consistent with your health and raising your vibration on a daily basis. You must be consistent. So make sure you're very focused on the water and the food that you're taking in, the people you surround yourself with, the time they have to have self-care, ground yourself. I'm barefoot on the grass right now, leaving you this message. So when we think that a diamond is formed under great pressure, that's what we're all going through right now. We're under great pressure and we're becoming that diamond. And we actually never knew the authentic reality. You were lied to your entire life. But if we focus on what Tesla left us, Nikola Tesla said, if you want to know the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. And we're thinking in these terms now, and we're taking back our power. And we're surrounding ourselves with high vibes. Can you hear the cicadas? Can you hear the wind chimes? We got the wind chimes going. We got the tree. We're under the tree. We're taking in all these vibrations right now. So we have to realize, right, that we have energy within us. Your cells have 1.4 volts each, over 700 trillion volts of electricity going through you. This energy is known as chi. Every single one of your cells is vibrating right now. We're all vibrating. The faster you vibrate, the better and more efficient your physical, mental, and spiritual health is. When your cells are vibrating slower, your physical, mental, and spiritual health decline. We're all on a frequency. There's two main frequencies. There's the 3D to 5D timeline split. It's also known as the rapture. And, you know, when we're seeing all of this bombardment in the Schumann resonance, You say, when can we all just relax? When can we just relax? We don't know. Who knows? Who knows when we could just relax, Light Warriors? So I can't relax. I have to come back, and I'm going to do a better job with all the debacle that we just went through with the glitching and the cutting out of the live stream. So I shared, and someone left a comment, and they said, is anyone having family members lose their minds at this time? So why don't you leave your comments? Are you experiencing, could be family members, people you knew your entire life, they are losing their minds at this time. And if we remember, they said biblically, men's hearts will fail them for fear. And this is the time period that we're in right now. And we're seeing people start to lose their minds. Dolores Cannon spoke about this time period, and she said that the physical vessel cannot take all of this information at once. And slowly we're realizing, people are realizing, wow, we lived in a fake reality. I lived in this fake reality my whole life, and that's why they're starting to maybe lose their minds. So, you know, we might find ourselves going deeper into isolation. Are you going deeper, going real deep into isolation at this time? And don't be, worried about it. Don't guilt yourself. You have to work on yourself. And if you have people, family, and friends that are, maybe losing their minds, you don't want them to pull you down into the pit with them. You might need to find isolation time. Are you finding isolation time? Let me know in the comments, right? And we were sharing about lower vibrational platforms. I saw this years ago, back in 2020 and earlier. People were, losing their minds when I saw them on social media, and I've disconnected from that worthless social media, right? We talked about the social media reset, and we're building newer, higher vibrational social media gatherings, right? We have tremendous group chats where everyone could chime in together. We got the wind chimes chiming in right now. It's tremendous. All these wind chimes are here. Beautiful. Let me know if you like this. Maybe this is going to be a tremendous video, and it's going to be the greatest thing. Be conscious on your journey. Like, we had a major mishap today, if you will, but this might forge us in the fire. It might help us become better. And we're creating something better right now. We never could have expected this, right? So sometimes when something bad happens, something beautiful comes out of it. So it might be a lot for the body to handle. You got to remember that it's World War III right now. It's a spiritual war. Everything, all assets are deployed. We're going through frequency wars, and you're getting boom, 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 electromagnetic energy. We see it in the Schumann resonance. Where is it coming from? We have it coming from both sides. We could see God sending us energy, activating us. We could see the creatures trying to hold on. Maybe they're creating inorganic frequencies, like maybe with CERN. And we're constantly going back and forth and getting banged around. Is this expressing how you feel? There's nothing that we can do about it. We're in this world. We're not of this world, but we're in this world. We're the warriors of the rainbow, of the Hopi prophecy. And we're here, and we're going to make it through. So we have to manage our health during this time period. We have to manage our core vibrational frequency. So take time alone, get out in nature, ground yourself, be mindful of what you're consuming. And what you consume is not only what you eat and drink, it's what you watch and what you listen to. Every one of these things are showing us what our vibration can be. I want to show you something over here. It's very interesting. Look at this. Look at nature. Can you see all the ants? Isn't that tremendous? Look at how they go. The ants, Light Warriors. Look at that. It's beautiful when you just stop back and sit back and you can look at nature. So I hope you really like this message. Listen, I go right on the fly, right, Warriors? So, we're getting a lot of bombardment right now. We could see it in the Wi-Fi with electromagnetic glitches and stuff. But we have to push through. And you might ask yourself, when can we relax? And we're literally seeing this right now in the Schumann resonance. So why don't you leave comments? Are you able to relax? And remember, we're breaking down this reality, and we're all going to make it through the rapture. If you find this message interesting and you would like to learn more about our reality in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration, why don't you click subscribe, give the video a like so it becomes visible to more people, and please share with one other person, because when we all share with one other person, we will rapidly grow our 5D community. We got all the energies, light warriors. We got the wind chimes. We got nature. We got the ants going. Look at all this, light warriors. Look at the ants. Have you ever seen the ants do that before? The colonies are coming, right? So, you know, sometimes we have to get off the line. Don't go on the line, right? You know what I'm saying? Don't go on the line. Go the opposite way. Don't fall in with the crowd right now, right? So we're going to have to focus on our energy. Know that we're getting banged around right now, and we have to find ways to relax. We're being forged in the fire, and we're becoming the person that you came here to be. There's a lot of craziness in the world. There's a lot of frequencies being deployed at this time. Look at that Schumann resonance. In a 48-hour period, how can we have so many bursts? It's a non-stop bombardment. Push your way through, and in the end, we will bring forth the victory of the light. Remember, we cannot control what is around us. However, we can control from within. Be conscious that the Schumann resonance ain't allowing us to relax. We live in this cavity, and we're going to have to evolve. This is the rapture. Use this to raise your vibration and increase your electromagnetism. Life is so much better when we are all together. If you find this message inspiring or know someone that could benefit from it, please share this message. Dear ones, I am Michael. Find us in the 5th dimension. Have a wonderful day living your everyday life. You see, light warriors, I am the embodiment of hashtag keep going. I'm going to keep going, light warriors. I never give up. I never give in. I just keep going. I know you might not be able to relax, but these are the energies that we're in right now. Use it to your advantage. Show the people who you truthfully are. Keep going. I am the defender of our everyday lives. Victory of the light.